So right here I'll be adding my scrub. Just added in my Ashanti scrub. So next I'll be adding in my peeling scrub. I am using this Moroccan bath whitening and peeling scrub as a base. Also, this scrub is very good. This scrub exfoliates the skin and peels off every dead skin cells off your skin. Next I'll be adding in my spa salt. I am using this papaya spa salt. It is a Yoko product. So here is my kojic acid powder. Next I'm going to add in my whitening oil. This is actually a whitening oil, so I'm going to be adding in this oil. Next I'm going to be adding in my skin free milk. So next I'll be adding in my vitamin E oil, tocopherol oil, because of the kojic acid. I'm going to be adding my salt into my scrub so as to get the consistency I want. If you can't find this, you can use sugar, you can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar, you can use Dead Sea salt, you can use Epsom salt. Okay, so it's not must it should be this branded salt. Okay, so just add your salt. Your salt does not really count in the percentage, but you just add it till you get the consistency you want. So what I'm doing is that I want to add in food coloring into the scrub. So here's the food coloring I'm using. You can get this food coloring from the people that sells cake accessories. So you just add in a little. So right away I want to thicken my scrub. So I'm going to be showing you how you can thicken your scrub. So this is my xantha gum. Then you can use your glycerin or propylene glycol, but I'm going to be using glycerin. Here is my vegetable glycerin. I'll be using 2% of my glycerin. So now the total gram of scrub I made is 200 gram. I'm using 0.2% of xantha gum. Okay, that's 0.2 divided by 100 times 200, the total batch of the scrub I'm making. And I use my glycerin at 2%. That is 2 divided by 100 times 200, my total batch of scrub I want to thicken up. I hope you understand that. So you can see there is a whole lot of difference here. Had it been I used 0.5% of xantha gum, it would have been thicker than this. So the xantha gum is going to help keep the scrub in place. It won't separate. It will make the scrub to stick together. So you stir your scrub properly. Give it a very nice stir. Give it a very nice stir. So you can decide to call this scrub mulberry whitening scrub, rose hip whitening scrub, strawberry whitening scrub, because you can see it actually carries the color of these fruits I'm mentioning. After you're done bathing with your soap, rinse off your body, then go in and scoop your scrub with your hand glove sponge and start scrubbing your body. And leave it on your body for 2 minutes before you rinse off. For your face, do not use the hand glove sponge, just use your bare hand. Make sure you're scrubbing your skin on a wet, damp skin. So this is our whitening body scrub. See you in the next class.